Keyboards are an important part of modern communication. Cherry has been a market leader in the fields of quality, durability, and precision for 30 years, also thanks to its own developments. The MX key switch. This small component makes all the difference and is symbolic of Cherry's success story. The MX key switch has been produced since 1983. It is a further development of the snap action switch, which was developed for electric typewriters. Production takes place in state-of-the-art facilities at the site in Germany. Up to 16 million key switches come off the production line per month. Just 5 years after being launched on the market, MX key switches accounted for 80% of turnover, and Cherry became the undisputed market leader. Every single key switch withstands up to 50 million operations and is unrivaled to date. One reason for its durability is another Cherry development, the gold crosspoint contact. This principle ensures the outstanding reliability of the MX technology. 3 billion key switches have already been produced. 80% of the production line is exported to Asia. The MX key switch is an export hit made in Germany. The technology is particularly appreciated by gamers whose keyboards have to be particularly robust and reliable. This is where Cherry's feel for innovation becomes clear again. By installing one diode per key switch, it is possible to press all keys at the same time without dropout. This is called full N-key rollover. The MX key switch is a success. Reliable, robust, fast, and durable. Invented and constantly being developed by Cherry, the specialist for computer input systems.